home is more than just a place that you eat and sleep. It's where the foundations of life can leap. At Why Move Improve, we are committed to making your home renovation experience as seamless and as straightforward as possible. Starting with the initial design consultation, planning approvals and project management, working alongside local builders and building control officers, we are proud to offer support at every stage of your project, whilst always considering your budget and requirements. You can be truly confident that your project will be managed efficiently, innovatively and economically too. We also aim to maximise the value of your investment and help reduce the cost of the project using various design methods and techniques. As a small, family-run practice, we foster close relationships with our clients and hold regular meetings to ensure that all plans and relevant documentation are thoroughly presented and clearly explained before submission. Why Move Improve Architectural Services is proud to offer high quality service that leads to the majority of our work coming from client referrals. Our rates are highly competitive and we are dedicated to delivering outstanding service in a proactive and supporting environment. So remember, you don't need to move, you just need to improve. To find out more information or to book a consultation, go to whymoveimprove.com and start your improvement journey today.